Hey folks, I'm excited to announce that we have expanded OutboundSync's Agent Skills. We've got a few here. I want to show you really quickly how they work. If you haven't seen this yet, OutboundSync recently introduced our API and webhooks, and we've added skills to give you context in your IDE. So if you're using Claude Code or Cursor, Codex, we want to help your agents and help you navigate not only our product, but we actually want to help you get better results from outbound. We want you to see how outbound is working in your CRM and ship better campaigns, get more replies, get more leads. So our latest skills are going to help you do that. I'll show you the new ones. So the first one is a new skill around just how the API works, and because we've got a lot of endpoints now. And one of them includes this sync monitoring. So you can actually track any errors that happen with your CRM connection, and we can notify you of that error, and we can notify you when it's been resolved so that you know that it's been fixed. We added a new skill around list building. So if this is for teams that are using Apollo, ZoomInfo, and their new GTM.ai product, Freckle, Clay, any number of tools, maybe even a direct subscription to like a Lead Magic or a Find Email, give you some guidance on how to think about list building and building better lists for your campaigns. And we also added something for omnichannel campaigns. So if you're coordinating across email and social. So those are the new ones. We've also added a little bit more polishing across the skill directory. Again, this is licensed MIT. It's open source. It's on GitHub, and it's in the NPX repository. You can also look here on outboundsync.com. You can see in our docs how they work, and you can see just a brief introduction to how the skills specifically are designed in sample prompts. So for example, this sync monitoring, this is an example prompt that you could send in chat to your agent, and it can give you feedback about what's working, what's not. So really excited to be expanding our skills. This is a very new thing for us, but definitely think it's going to be useful for folks, and would love to know what else do you want to see us add. As we're growing our API, we're adding a lot here. I'll just show you really quick the endpoints that we've added. We've got probably close to 20 now that are available to allow you to do a ton of stuff with OutboundSync as that connector between your outbound tools and your CRM. So check it out, OutboundSync Agent Skills. Appreciate it, and more to come. Thanks.